All right, we're back in the garage for some more work on Evan's truck. I think we're gonna start with the seat. There's some old bolts on there that we're gonna cut off first. They're just rusty and we don't have nuts for them anyway, so we're gonna use what hardware we have here. We'll get the old seats out as well. See where the night takes us here in the barn. Let's go check out the seat. All right, we got the seat over here. Those are the studs that we're gonna cut off. They're just like tack welded onto those brackets. The threads are nasty on them and we don't even have the nuts for them anyways, so we're just gonna cut them off and use our own bolts. So I think I'll probably get started on that right now. All right, just like that, the studs are out. That wasn't too hard at all. So now we're a green light for moving on to ripping these seats out.
I think those are through bolted.
Look at that, we're over halfway done.
These seats were pretty, man. Look at, I had a reclining middle seat.
Looks good. Oh, I didn't even know it did that.
Yeah, fancy, huh?
Dang.
Clipboard and everything.
All right, we got, oh.
So we just discovered that this is a passenger seat, and that's why it doesn't recline, because it's on this side.
Who would have thought?
And look at it opens.
There we go.
Man.
One passenger's driver's seat out. What an improvement. Evan's getting it bolted down right now. It looks so much better. And it matches the truck. I think it looks awesome. Get this thing finished, bolted down, and he'll have to sit in it for the first time and we'll see what he thinks.
Good. Much better. It's pretty sweet. I have an actual seat.
It looks awesome.
Looks pretty good.
That was not that hard. That was easy.
Easier than I expected. Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Nice.
How's it feel?
That's great. Way better.
All right, so that's a wrap on the seat. Definitely better than what you had, I would say.
Way better. I can't believe that I dealt with those seats for as long as I did.
I can't believe we pulled a seat out of the junkyard that is that comfortable.
That was a good find.
It fits good, it looks good, it feels good.
It feels like it hasn't even been broken in yet.
So
it's
that's awesome.
so much better.
So yeah, an easy night in the garage tonight. I'm glad we got that done. It's one more thing off the list.
Yep.
And more to come.
Yep, it's a long list.
Thanks for watching.